This is week 4 of learning Irish, and this week I'm going to start mastering my first 1,000 words. But before I get started, next week I'm going to be looking at beginner Irish podcasts. So if you know any good beginner Irish podcasts, bonus points if they're Munster, drop them down in the comments for me. Thank you. And I would just like to apologize for the hiatus that I've taken from posting and learning Irish. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm back and ready to keep learning. So I was scrolling on Instagram the other day and I saw this 1,000 word language learning method. And basically it's like if you learn 1,000 words of a language, then you already know like 75 to 80% of like the most commonly used words. And the other stuff is going to be like obscure stuff. So once you get the 1,000 words, you kind of have a big comprehensive base of the language to kind of build off of with like practicing reading and learning and stuff. So I thought I'd try it out. So what I've been trying to do is break it up into like 20 word chunks. So I'll have like each day I'll learn 20 new words and gain like a familiarity with them, and then I'll go over all of my previous words too at the end, and just try to see what I remember and what I understand and learn the new words too. Alright, so each day I just copy the 20 words from the list that I found online onto the Quizlet. And Quizlet has a lot of good learning tools. There's flashcards, there's like term quizzes. There's also this game called Blast where you blast the things with your laser thing. So that was pretty fun. I also would look up the pronunciations of every word as I went along.
Mar.
So yeah, every day I just repeated this. I went to the list, and then I would write the terms into the Quizlet, and then I would save it, and I would practice. But yeah, I know that Quizlet Premium has a feature where you can like put audio onto your flashcards. So it'd be pretty cool if I could somehow get some kind of like connection between the pronunciation database and Quizlet, so that instead of having to look up the words, I could just hear them in the flashcards. And one more problem that I've been having is not being able to find all of the pronunciations that I'm looking for on the database. So let me know if you guys know kind of why some of the words are just not on there. So I've gotten through 140 words this week, and I'm just gonna keep learning every single day. And so yeah, I'll see you guys next week.